Lilanga la ngalesibili ebusuku lebekufanele libe ngulelitayelekile kulabo bonogadza labasikhombisa labasebenta esikhungweni sekulahlwa tibi liphele ngolisizi. Indvodza lebeyihlome ngesibhamu ingene kulesikhungo sePikitup eSwartkopis yadubula labo bonogadza.
The security guards were all found with gunshot wounds to the head. The manager reported that 3 more security guards were rushed to hospital with serious gunshot wounds. Preliminary investigations revealed that a man in possession of a rifle and handgun arrived at the dumping site entrance and without a word started shooting at the security guards posted at the gate and within the yard. It is not yet known how the suspect fled the scene. A case of murder and attempted murder has been opened and the motive for the shooting will form part of the investigations by the Provincial Investigation Unit.
Ayikho impahla lethethwe kulendzawo kanti kude nakunye lokwebiwe kwalabo bonogadza.
The motive or the reason of the attack is unknown. No arrest has been made by the police, but we believe that the police is busy investigating the matter. We want to give our deepest of condolences to the family members of the deceased and wish those in hospital a speedy recovery. I also want to urge the residents to please assist the police with any information relating to the attack. I, together with my other colleagues in the city, will do everything possible to ensure that we restore safety in the city of Johannesburg and reduce this kind of senseless attack on the city's employees.
Lesigameko sishiye labo labasebenta kulendzawo bathukile. Bonogadza lababili basagcinwe esibhedlela.